Phosphate is measured and used to regulate the pH of the water used in steam-raising boiler systems. Keeping the boiler water alkaline substantially reduces corrosion problems in boiler systems. Also, phosphate reacts with scale-forming species such as calcium and magnesium to produce a soft sludge and therefore reduces scaling problems in the boiler and turbine. Dosing of the phosphate must be controlled carefully. Too much phosphate can cause damaging carryover in steam, whilst too little can allow acidic conditions to develop that encourage corrosion. Measuring points for phosphate should include feed water heaters, the deaerator, the economizer, the boiler drum, and within the boiler itself. ABB's Navigator 600 Phosphate ensures accurate monitoring of phosphate levels up to 15 parts per million. Using just 1/10 of the reagents used by other analyzers, the Navigator 600 Phosphate substantially reduces the cost of ownership and maintenance.